Train machine learning model tutorial. Create a simulation, by navigating to the Job Designer page. Then, select and import the set of materials comprised of silicon and germanium, constituting our training set. Then, navigate to the Workflow tab, and select the ML Train Model workflow, which we use to train a machine learning model for predicting the electronic band gap of materials composed of silicon and germanium, by making use of the Exabyte Machine Learning Engine. Let us now inspect the input compute unit. The properties which will be predicted by the trained model are the target properties which have been ticked under this unit, in this case the band gaps. Then, set the name for the job. Here, we call it SIGE Band Gap ML Train. Next, save the job. It can then be selected and submitted to the compute queue, for execution. When the job is finished, open it, to inspect the resulting trained model workflow. Let us open the score unit of this trained workflow. Here, the model coefficients and importance are stored, together with an indication of the model precision. Now we navigate back to our workflow collection, via the left-hand sidebar of the web interface. The generated workflow containing the trained model can thus be retrieved among the collection entries. This completes the present tutorial.